It is a very warm and sunny Monday morning. Let me look at the clock on my bedroom wall. Oh no! It is 8 o'clock in the morning already! I am very late. I am late for school again. Where is my big school bag? It is under the bed. I must pack my math books into the bag very fast. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. Okay, done. Now I need my lunchbox for school today. Here is a red box on the table. My box now. Goodbye, Mom. I am running. Run, Henry, run. The school is very far away. I am running very fast on the gray sidewalk. Wow! Look at that beautiful yellow butterfly in the air. Come here, little butterfly. I want to catch you now. Oh! The butterfly is flying across the street. Wait for me. Do not fly away so fast.
Stop, boy! Look out! Get back right now! Walking on this busy street is very dangerous for children. Rule number 1. Always stay on the sidewalk to be safe. The big cars and trucks cannot see you on the ground.
I am very sorry, sir. I am shaking. I understand now. I will walk on the sidewalk today. Oh, finally I am inside the school hallway. Hey, Henry! You are late! Look at me over here. I challenge you to a very fast race to our classroom. A race? Yes, let's go! I love racing. I am the fastest boy in this school today, Leo. No way! I am much faster than you! Catch me! Watch out! Move away! The champions are coming right now! Look! There is a yellow sign on the floor ahead. I do not care about the sign. I must win! I cannot stop my feet! I am falling down! I love drawing beautiful pictures in the summer. Oh no! Tom! Move out of the way right now! Ouch! My arm! My elbow hurts so much! Why did you push me, Henry? You are so mean! Look at the floor! All my new crayons are broken.
Henry! Leo! Stop this big noise right now!
Look at that yellow sign. It says, coffin, wet floor. Running in the hallway is forbidden. You can hurt friends.
We are very sorry, Miss Sarah. We were walking. Yes, teacher. We did not mean to hurt Tom today.
Do not lie to me. I saw you two running fast. Henry, pick up the crayons and stand by the wall. Stand there for 5 minutes and think about your action.
"5 minutes is a very long time. Yay! It is lunchtime now! I am so hungry! Let me open my red box to eat yummy food. Oh no! These are my toy cars and plastic robots! Oh no, Leo. I brought my toy box instead of my lunchbox. You are so silly, Henry. You did not check before coming, right? Do not worry. I have 2 sandwiches in my yellow box. I will share one with you. Thank you so much, Leo. You are my best friend. My dad taught me to check 3 things before leaving home: backpack, lunchbox, and shoes. 3 things: backpack, lunchbox, and shoes. I understand. If I follow this checklist, I will never forget my things again. I give you this card. Start using it today. Thank you, Leo. I promise to check carefully every day. Now I will eat all of this yummy sandwich. Tonight I will use the checklist card to pack my bag before sleeping. Books here, lunchbox here. Everything is ready and complete.
Good boy, Henry. Now please take this warm soup to your sister Lily.
Lily, eat a spoonful of warm soup to get well soon. Thank you, Brother Henry. You are the best brother. This morning, I am ready. Let us check 3 things. Number 1, backpack with all books. Done. Number 2, yummy lunchbox. Done. Number 3, shoelaces tied tightly. Done as well.
I am so proud of you, Henry. You have become a very careful boy.
Look, Leo. Today I walk very calmly and watch carefully. Here you go, Tom. I picked up your fallen crayon for you. Thank you, Henry. You have become a wonderful friend.
Well done, Henry. You have learned the most important lesson about safety.
Always be careful every day to have happy days at school.